Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's practice, I ventured out a little further than usual to Pace Bend Park here in Travis County. It's about an hour outside of Austin, and found a really cool spot right by Lake Travis that I was able to practice. It was so quiet out here today. Today's practice is focusing on our earth chi, and the two moves that I'm introducing for this is Pebble in the Pond, and then the standing posture called holding the golden urn to the yin position. So with this, you'll be connecting your intention to the earth and really looking for grounding and stability in your life as you practice this one. So hope you enjoy it. I really enjoyed the hike out in this way today. My wife's been with me and my dog, so just a beautiful day to practice. It's starting to feel like summer around here for some reason. But anyway, hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.
Okay, we'll get started with knocking on the door of life. This is part of our spinal enlivening set. So with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, you're going to twist from the waist, just letting your arms swing and your open palms slap across your belly. The back of your hand hit the back of your other side on the back. As you're doing this, you're just breathing deep, long, slow breaths. And our goal with this is just to loosen up the body, start moving around before we get into those earth chi circulating flows in a moment. Now slow it down. We'll move into spinal cord breathing. So for this one, you're tucking your tailbone as you come forward, bringing your arms forward, and then expanding your chest as you come back, even putting a little bit of an arch in your back. Pulling those arms back. You can see it better from this side, just the shape of your body. And you're inhaling, coming up, exhaling on the way down. It's okay if you want to reverse the breath, if you want more of a stretch on your back. It's not that important to do it exactly, so you choose. And bring it down. We'll move into the third part of the spinal enlivening set called picking cherries. So anchoring your hips, going to reach up your arms, hands above your head, pulling a stretch between your hip and the hand that's going the highest there. Just breathing natural as you do this. It was so peaceful out here that I didn't want to put music or anything over this. It's just so quiet. Next, we're going to do something called chi scattering to release stagnant chi, and we're starting with counter swing. So swinging one hand in front of your body, the other behind you, inhaling on the way up and exhaling with the sigh as you swing. Kind of bending your knees and bouncing a bit. And slow it down. Move into the next part called dropping the wooden post. So bring your feet together and just start tapping your heels onto the ground, letting kind of a vibration come up the body. And you're just taking deep breaths and sighing it out as you tap those heels. Now you can stop that and raise your arms up as you stand up on your tiptoes, and then just let everything fall as you hit the sides of your legs. And as you can tell, you're sighing on that way down. So up, inhale, release, and exhale. And you're letting your body kind of tap a few times. You won't do that naturally. We're not rubber balls, but you can kind of force a little bounce there. Now back to shoulder width apart, we'll do the vibrating horse. We're initiating the shake from our hips all the way up our body, through our arms, and out with the flick of the hands. So inhale and exhale and shake all the way up and flick. So we're inhaling and exhaling with a sigh. Now we'll settle this down and we're going to combine all three movements. So with that counter swing, as you're turning to one side, you're lifting the opposite heel and tapping it down as you come back to center. Inhale and exhale as you flick your hands out to the sides. Nice. Now we'll get ready for Pebble in the Pond. So holding a chi ball in front of the lower dantian, going to smooth out in front of us, sliding the hips back as we do, and then draw the hands back to the earth center. So we're exhaling on the way out forward and inhaling as we come back to center. Smoothing out in front of you. Bringing that back in with an inhale. Sliding the hips back as you smooth your hands like over the surface of water. Exhale and inhale. And this one is connecting to our earth chi and circulating chi in the stomach and spleen. This is where we get that grounding feeling because the stomach and spleen are the earth element organs. This is helping us with stability even in the face of chaos. So exhale and inhale as you draw the chi back to your earth center. Now relax that down and we'll move into the standing posture called holding the golden urn to the yin position. So your elbows are just slightly lower than your wrist. You're lining up the spine just like in Wuji, where your tailbone is dropped. Your chest is just a little bit forward over your hips. Your arms are about solar plexus height, fingers spread. And we're just breathing here, tucking our chin, lifting our crown. We're going to hold this for a couple of minutes. And if you like, you can connect your intention to the earth below you, that steady ground below you, to help us just start cultivating some peace and calmness. And just breathe. All right, you can relax your shoulders now. And we're going to close our practice as we typically do here with pulling down the sky. So hands up above the head, bringing down the center, palms facing the ground. Now palms up as you move upward, pressing the chi down into the lower dantian area. Inhaling on the way up, exhaling as you scan your body with your mind. Just bringing all that chi we've circulated into the lower dantian where we can more easily store it and carry it with us throughout our day. All right, now we'll step the feet together for bamboo in the wind. Fold your hands just below the navel. And allow your body to just relax head to toe as you sway a bit. And give yourself some gratitude for taking the time to practice even for 10 minutes today. Now slowly step it out. We'll circle the belly, up the right, down the left. Just signaling to our body and our mind that we're closing the practice and we're using our awareness to direct that chi. Spiral just below the navel. Take a deep breath and release with a sigh. If you liked this practice, check out some of my others. You can try this wood element qigong practice. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos filmed in nature around Austin and beyond.